Good morning. Today we will discuss time delay using register. Time delay using register. Register in 8085 microprocessor. There are 6 general purpose registers B, C, D, E, H and N. All the 6 register 8-bit. We can use any one of the 6 general purpose register for time delay. We can load some data in register. Now to decrement or increment. Now to decrement or increment, it will take how much time to increment or to decrement to the updated values. It will take how much time. Now to calculate the total time delay using single register. Example MVI C, 05H. MVI C, 05H, and to decrement the C register content. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. Now to check JNZ, no 0 means jump to here. Now to decrement the C register data till 0. Okay. Now to calculate the time delay for to decrement the data from 05 to 00. It will take how much time? It will take how much time to decrement the data from 05 to 00. MVIC, 05. MVIC, 05. How many T states required? This is for 2-byte instruction. This is for 2-byte instruction. The first byte represent for opcode. First byte opcode. The second byte for 8-bit data. 8-bit data. Opcode related to 8-bit instruction. It required 4 T states. It required 4 T states, and 8-bit data. 8-bit data. It required 3 T states. Total 7 T states required for to execute this instruction. Now to execute MVI C, 05, for that it requires 7 T states. Opcode related to 8-bit, it requires 4 T states, and 8-bit data require 3 T states. Total 7 T states required. And next one, decrement C. Decrement C, this is for single byte instruction. This is for single byte instruction. Only opcode related to 8-bit. Related to 8-bit. For that it require 4 T states. 4 T states. JNZ, jump if result is no 0. Now jump to the given 16-bit address location. Jump to the given 16-bit address locations. This is for 3-byte instruction. The first byte represents for opcode related to 8-bit. It requires 4 T states. And 16-bit address. Now jump to this address location. If the condition is satisfied, now jump to the given 16-bit address. Now this condition is unsatisfied, execute the next address location. Okay. Now this condition satisfied, it requires 10 T states. Opcode 4 and 16-bit address. 16-bit address requires 6 T states. Total 10 T states required for when this condition satisfied. Suppose this condition is unsatisfied, it required 7 T states. Opcode 4 now to execute the next address location data. At that time, it will change the only LSB 4-bit address. Okay, LSB 4-bit means it consists of 8 bit. For that, it requires 3 T states. Opcode 4 and 8-bit address require 3 states. Total 7 T states. 10 or 7 T states required. 10 or 7 T states required. Now to calculate the total time delay for to execute this program. Now the given clock frequency of the microprocessor, the given clock frequency of the microprocessor, suppose 2 megahertz. Now to find out the clock period, for that formula T equal to 1 divided by F. Now T equal to F value 1 divided by 2 into 10 to the power of 6. Now T equal to, it requires 0.5 microseconds. 0.5 microseconds for clock period. Now to find out the total time delay, formula TD equal TO plus TL. Here TD for total time delay and TO for outside loop T states. Outside loop time delay, and TL for loop time delay. First we have to calculate the TL equal to formula for time period into loop T states into n base 10. Here the time period 0.5 microseconds, 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into loop T states. Loop means between year to year. DCRC and JNZ. This is a loop. Now to execute this loop, how many T states required when this condition satisfied? 10 and 4. Total 14 T states required. 14 into n base 10. The given hexadecimal value to convert into decimal. Here the 0.5 hexadecimal value, the corresponding decimal value also same thing, 0.5. Now to multiply all the 3.5 minus 6 into 14 into 5. It required 3.5 10 to the power of minus 5 seconds. Now to convert into either millisecond or microseconds. Okay, now to convert into millisecond or microsecond, 35 into 10 to the power of minus 6 seconds. This is for total, this is for loop T states. 35 microseconds. Next, to calculate the TO. TO means outside loop time delay. Outside loop time delay, time period into outside loop t states. Time period 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into outside loop t states. Outside loop. This is for loop. Outside only MVIC, 05. Outside loop t states. The only MVIC, 05 for the required 7 t states. Now 7 multiply these two. 0.5 into 7, 3.5 microseconds. TO equal 3.5 microseconds. Next, these two value substitute in TD. Substitute in TD. Now TD, total time delay, equal outside loop t states time delay 3.5 microseconds. 3.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 plus TL loop time delay 35 microseconds. Now to add these two, 3.5 microsecond plus 35 microseconds. Now TD 3.85 into 10 to the power of minus 5 seconds. Now to convert into either microseconds or milliseconds. Microseconds 0.0385 into 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds. Now TD equal to 0.0385 10 to the power of 3 means millisecond. Millisecond, or we can convert into microseconds. Here the TD equal 3.85 into 10 to the power of minus 5 second. Now to convert into micro, 38.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 second. Now TD equal to 38.5 microsecond. Either we can convert into millisecond or microseconds. Now to decrement the data 05 to 00, it will take for 38.5 microsecond, or it will take for 0.0385 milliseconds. Okay, suppose this time delay is not sufficient. Okay, now to increase the time delay, there are two ways. Number one, we can increase the clock frequency of the microprocessor 2 megahertz to 3 megahertz. This is a one way we can increase the time delay, or we can increase the data. Here the 05 data, this is for 8-bit register. We can give the maximum data FF 00 to FF. Now FF, it will increase the time delay. It will increase the time delay. Now to change the data, instead of 05, we can use FF. FF in hexadecimal, the corresponding decimal value to 55. Now to substitute to 55 and multiply, now we can get the time delay value increase to compare the 0.5 value. Okay. Now to increase the time delay, for that we can increase the value maximum in 8-bit FF. Okay. Now the formula, time period into loop t states into n base 10. Here the time period same thing. Okay, 0.5 microseconds 10 to the power of -6 into loop t states same thing 10 14 into n base 10, the given hexadecimal value FF. Now here we have to substitute the corresponding decimal value to 55. Now to multiply 0.5 into 10 to the power of -6 into 14 into 255. Now we can get the result point 1.785 into 10 to the power of -3 second. This is for 10 to the power of -3 milliseconds. TL equal to 1.785 millisecond. And TO value same thing. T into outside loop t states. Here the time period 0.5 into 10 to the power of -6 into outside loop t states. It will not change. Okay, 7 t states. Now we can get the value TO equal to 3.5 microseconds. Now TO and TL value substitute in TD. Now TD equal to TO 3.5 into 10 to the power of -6 plus TL value 1.785 into 10 to the power of -3. Now add these two, 3.5 into 10 to the power of -6 and this one. You can get the 1.785 into 10 to the power of -3. This is for TD. Now to TD equal to 1.7885 10 to the power of -3 means milliseconds. Using data 05, we can get the result 3.038 something in millisecond. Now to increase the value, maximum value FF, now we can get the maximum time delay 1.7885 milliseconds. Now instead of 0.03, here the time delay will be increased. When data increase, the time delay will be increased. This is a one format. Or another format, we can increase the microprocessor frequency. Instead of 2 megahertz, we can use a 3 megahertz. Okay, using single register, when the clock frequency is 2 megahertz, the maximum time delay will be 1.7885 milliseconds. Suppose this time delay is not sufficient. Okay, we can use, instead of register, we can use a register pair. Now the time delay will be increased. Now 10 for 7 pieces. When this condition satisfied, means it require 1.7885 millisecond. Suppose when this condition is not satisfied, it requires 7 T states. The only 3 T states difference. We have to adjust the 3 T states. It will get the result 0.7775. The only minute difference will be there. So, no need to calculate the TLA, time adjustment delay. Okay, the formula for TLA, TL minus 3, the difference T states 3 into time period. Okay, this is for TL value 1.788 millisecond, 1.7885 milliseconds into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 3 into 0.5 microsecond. We can get the result 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Now to subtract these two, 1.7885 into 10 to the power of minus 3 and result minus this one, we can get the 1.787 into 10 to the power of minus 3. It will change only the minute difference. So both results are almost same. So no need to calculate. If you want exact accurate time delay, at the time we can use TLA, time delay adjustment equal to loop T states, loop time delay minus of difference T states 3 into time period. TL value this one minus of 3 into time period 0.5. Now multiply these two. We can get the 1.5 into 10 to the power of microsecond. Now to subtract these two, we can get the 1.787 milliseconds. Only the minute difference. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.